Like in vibe coding, we first give the prompt to create the website. Now it will only create the website, then we give another prompt to test it. But in agentic coding also creates the complex codes uh, and increase the code quality for security. Popular tools for using agentic coding, especially for the local LLMs. First one is Olama. Olama is a platform in which we can install any free open source model and we can chat with it. Good morning everyone. Today I am taking the session on agentic coding. So what is agentic coding? Agentic coding is a software development cycle in which the agent only take the input as a prompt, and it will generate, it will think, it will analyze the target and generate the code, test the code, debug the code, and that's all. So it will use coding agents. So some popular coding agents like Queen Coder, coding agents it will use. So one thing is vibe coding. In vibe coding, we also use prompts to generate code snippets, but it is different from the vibe coding and agentic coding. Agentic coding does not need any logic to build any program, build to write the code, but vibe coding needs a logic. Vibe coding is a reactive, but agentic coding is a proactive. Now, benefits of agentic coding is first it increase the productivity. Like in vibe coding, we first give the prompt to create the website. Now it will only create the website, then we give another prompt to test it. But in agentic coding, we only give the prompt to create a website. It will create the plan, implementation plan. It will create the task. It will assign small tasks, and then it will implement the code, and then it will test by its own. Then second is enhanced code quality. So agentic coding also creates the complex codes and increase the code quality for security, and detect bugs and review code. And then third is faster development cycle. So in the vibe coding, we do give prompts for each step, but in agentic coding, it will generate the code by its own. It will create the plan, it will execute the plan by understanding all complete codes in our directory or in a project. So it will analyze the code, it will create the code. So in a single prompt, it will perform all the cycle. Then democratized expertise. Now for agentic coding, we don't need any senior developer or any junior developer. All are same for agentic coding. Just we need to give the prompt and we need to create the applications for. Next thing is local setup for the agentic AI. So with this coding agents, local coding agents, we can we have zero data exfiltration. Code stays in our own machine, own server. Then no cloud upload, means the code will not go outside our company. So popular tools for using agentic coding, especially for the local LLMs. First one is Olama. Olama is a platform in which we can install any free open source model and we can chat with it, we can generate codes. It contains all, means small models to large LLM models, like 1 or 1.5 GB models to up to 30-40 GB models. And second platform is LM Studio. It is also same. It provides GUI support. Olama also provides GUI support. So in which we can download any model and we can test any model locally in our systems. Now some VS Code extensions. So first one is Continue. It is an open source extension for VS Code in which we can integrate it with Ollama also. We can integrate with any OpenAI key, Gemini, and this. So it can also generate. It can also be local setup for Continue. Second one is Cloud Code CLI, which can also be integrated using Ollama. And third one is Codium and Tabi. These are also two extensions for VS Code which can also be used as agentic coding in VS Code. So recommended coding models like Queen Code, 2.5 Coder, DeepSeek Coder, and Gemma. These are some popular Ollama which you can pull from Ollama pull and the name of the model. So why we need to use Ollama? So first one is right now the systems contains lots powerful CPUs, GPUs, and right now some laptops also contains NPUs, which is neural processing unit. So as a name neural, we can connect with AI models. So to perform AI tasks, we need NPUs. Then we can perform machine learning optimizations also, like quantization, distillation, mixture of experts. Then some open source local setups like Ollama, Llama CPP, Hugging Face, which provides open source models. And next is most important is it will keep the code in the machine only. It will not share anyone else. So privacy also. Steps to install Ollama and test any model, like first we install the Ollama, then we need to run the command Ollama pull and any model from that, and then we can connect with that model locally in our system, either in the CLI or in the Ollama web UI, GUI. Now there is one more tool which can be used as Agentic AI, which is I think the clone of Lovable, which is it is the tool which can be used in place of Lovable. It also provides lots of templates with ongoing projects which we can pick and remix to any other.